In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar in Google Sheets. This can be a great tool if you're managing schedules, events, or simply tracking dates within your spreadsheets. By using a few steps in Google Sheets, you can set up a validation method that ensures only dates are entered into specific cells, creating a mini calendar functionality. Let's dive into the process. First, begin by opening your Google Sheet. If you're starting fresh, just create a new sheet, but you can also use an existing one if that suits your needs better. Once you're in your Google Sheet, pick a cell where you'd like to enter a date. This step is crucial because it sets the groundwork for your calendar function. In that chosen cell, type in any valid date. It could be today's date, a due date, or any other date you want to work with. After typing in the date, press the Enter key. You should see the date format automatically adjust to the default date style set within Google Sheets. Now, select another cell where you'd like to set a calendar validation. This could be in the same column if you're tracking a series of dates, or it might be a completely different location in your spreadsheet. Just make sure it's highlighted by clicking on it. Once you've selected the cell, direct your attention to the top menu of Google Sheets. Click on Data, which will open a drop-down menu. From there, choose Data Validation. This feature in Google Sheets allows you to control the type of data that can be entered into your selected cell. In the Data Validation window, click on Add Rule. This is where you can set specific rules for what can be entered into that particular cell. Now, look for the drop-down list under the Criteria section and click on it. You'll want to choose Is Valid Date from the list. This setting will ensure that only properly formatted dates can be entered into the selected cell. It effectively adds a layer of protection against unintended or incorrect data entries. Next, check the option to Show Help Text for a selected cell. This option is beneficial as it provides guidance to users who interact with the spreadsheet. Enter an appropriate validation message in the text box. This message could be something like, "Please enter a date in the format MMDDYYYY." Once you've done that, opt for the Reject the Input choice. This will automatically deny any entry that doesn't meet the date criteria, ensuring your data integrity. Finally, click on Done to save your settings. To test your setup, enter a valid date using a different format in the cell you've established the rule for. After entering the date, hit the Enter key to see the validation in action. Congratulations! You've just added a basic calendar function to your Google Sheet, helping you manage and validate date entries effectively.